Remove the machine and all accessories. Tilt the machine gently onto the floor. Install the casters of the machine. Pay attention to the distinction between front and back. The two with locks are the front two casters. Open the caster lock upward. You can move the machine. Press downward to lock the casters. The instrument is fixed. Install the bracket arm. First unscrew the black screws on the black cover. Open the cover. Align the large screw holes respectively. Screw the 4 large screws up to fix the bracket, and then the bracket on the wire socket aligned to the middle of the white wire socket, and finally the black cover and screw the black screws on the cover. Installation of the laser on the white wire socket aligned to the white wire socket inserted into the bracket, and then aligned with the 4 screw holes. Tighten the long screws to fix it. Installation of the laser on the white wire socket aligned to the white wire socket inserted into the bracket, and then aligned with the 4 screw holes. Tighten the long screws to fix it. Connect the power. Turn on the power switch. Select gender, operating part, age. Click to enter the parameter adjustment interface. Site reference data. Operational time recommendations. Energy recommendations. Please refer to the table above for the rotational speed. Height adjustment of the handle. Adjustment of the laser projector. Parameters can be stored. Start. Operator and client wear goggles. Let the customer lie flat on the bed. Keep the operation area clean. Set the laser to the highest level. Move it to the upper part of the operation site, and then adjust the laser to a position of 810 cm 3-4 inches away from the operation site. Adjust the direction of the laser so that the selected laser light shines on the operating site at the speed of light, trying to ensure that the rotating beams overlap as much as possible. Halfway through the set time, tap pause. Adjust the laser height to the highest possible level and remove the laser. ABC has different frequencies. Halfway through the set time, tap pause. Adjust the laser height to the highest possible level and remove the laser. Have the client turn over and lie down. Adjust the laser to 8 to 10 cm from the operating site. Readjust the laser angle. The instrument will automatically pause at the end of the set time. Adjust the laser to its maximum height and remove the device. Apply moisturizing lotion to the working area. The arms, legs, neck, shoulders, and knees work in the same way.